English together.
New Year's resolution. How's your Christmas holidays?
Great. Merry Christmas.
Jack, it's time to say Happy New Year. 2023 is coming.
It will be a new year soon. Have you made any New Year resolutions?
New Year's what?
New Year's resolutions. Jenny told me about it. At the beginning of the year, you should decide to do something, and do it all year.
What kind of thing?
Something like go to the gym every day, or study more.
I see.
Hi everyone. Sorry, I am late. How are things going? What are you talking about?
We were talking about New Year's resolutions. What's yours?
New Year's what?
New Year's resolutions. At the beginning of the year, you should decide to do something, and do it all year.
Oh, I see. Well, I want to lose weight.
We all know that. It's not new.
It has to be something new.
Yes, something you want to do this year.
I know, I want to ask Jenny out on a date.
Wow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I can't believe tomorrow is the first day of the new year.
Yes. 2022 went by so fast.
Have you made a New Year's resolution yet?
What is that?
New Year's resolution. A goal you want to set or achieve in the new year.
I see. Maybe I should think of it tonight. Have you made any New Year resolutions?
I have made a few.
That's great. What are they?
In the new year, I'm planning to go to the gym every day. And I'm going to run a marathon next year.
Wow, a marathon.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to the challenge.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good afternoon. This is Anna from English Together. A new year brings new hope and new New Year's resolutions. Let's see what people are hoping for in the new year.
I'm hoping to learn more English.
I'm going to quit smoking.
I will try and stay fit and well.
I'm hoping to give up caffeine.
What's your New Year resolution? Comment below. See you next time.
Remember to like, share and subscribe our channel.